In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Grammarly subscription and get your money back. If you've decided that Grammarly is no longer the tool for you, or you're looking to cut down on your subscription costs, this tutorial is for you. I'm here to guide you every step of the way, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to manage your subscription. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Grammarly homepage. Make sure you're logged in using your account credentials. You'll arrive at the dashboard, which provides a great overview of your documents and overall writing performance. It's here that you'll find all your personalized settings nestled in the menu, so we'll be taking a closer look at those today. Now let's move on to locating your account details. This step is crucial as this is where all your subscription information is stored. If you haven't already, find the icon or your profile picture, usually located in the upper right corner of the page. It's designed to be quite user friendly, so you should have no problem spotting it. Once you click on it, you'll find a drop-down menu. Within this drop-down menu, you need to click on Account. Selecting this will take you directly to your account settings, and this page will outline all the relevant details. This is an important hub for managing various aspects of your Grammarly service, including your personal information and subscription specifics. Once you are on your account page, it's time to navigate to the subscription section. This part of the site is pretty straightforward. By clicking subscription, you'll be taken to a comprehensive display of your current plan, billing specifics, and more. This is where you'll initiate the cancellation process, so make sure to proceed with confidence. The next step involves clicking on cancel subscription. It's typically highlighted to ensure it's easy to find among the other settings. Once you select this option, Grammarly will likely prompt you to confirm your decision. Sometimes companies like Grammarly might offer an incentive to stay on, such as a discount or an upgrade. If you're sure about your decision, go ahead and confirm the cancellation. After you've cancelled your subscription, it's a good idea to check your email for a cancellation confirmation. Grammarly usually sends an email to confirm that your subscription has been cancelled and, if applicable, to process any refunds. Check your spam or junk folder if it doesn't appear in your inbox to ensure you haven't missed this crucial step. And that's it, you've successfully cancelled your Grammarly subscription and initiated the process to get your money back. If you run into any issues, Grammarly's support is always available to assist. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has made the process clear.